Hello. Hello, how's it going? Hello, welcome. Are you excited about fossils? I hope you're not too excited about cause I got funny news that the Smithsonian virtual tours have decided to cease functioning in the several hours between me getting a thumbnail this morning and right now. I went to open it to get ready and it's just not working. So that's cool. I guess we're just gonna, I don't know, yap for a few, hope it comes back. I don't know. Hello. How's it going? How is everybody? I wish we were looking at fossils right now, but you know. I'll keep trying to refresh it and see if it works. We're too close to the truth. They can't let us find out. But yeah, I wish we were going on a field trip. We were supposed to go on a field trip today. We were supposed to be going on a field trip, but no. And I tried searching for other museum tours with other fossil related museum tours out there that I couldn't find any. I might keep looking right now, but I don't think there are any other virtual museum fossil tours. So I get there's Wikipedia, I guess. We could turn it into the classic, unless, I don't know, maybe there's a cool fossil site that we could look at that would be a bit more exciting, a bit more in the spirit of things. I don't know. But anyway, how are you guys? How's everybody doing? Tried seeing the other Devotees option. Guess what? Those were all from the Smithsonian. All of the I put on, because I found some other museums that have some tours, but they were mostly art museums, and so all of those ones are from the Smithsonian, which is not working. So you know, fossil sharks are only their jaws because they yap so much. I don't know, that's what my fossil will be. Yeah. So that's our sad situation today. Looks well when you put it that way. So yeah, I don't know why it broke. I don't know. We did put all our fossils in the same basket, but like why would I have ever considered that the Smithsonian virtual tours would stop working? It worked this morning when I took a thumbnail image out of it. But alas. Oh, not the painful calf muscle. Ooh. Well, I'm glad you're doing alright aside from that. Let's see, is there anything? Maybe there's some other part of their website that we can use that has information on it. I'm looking. Well, that's congratulations on all your museums. It's run by fossils. The unfortunate thing about the Smithsonian is that it's so American. But that's we'll manage. I know they do want to hide their fossil secrets. I thought the whole point was they're supposed to tell me the fossil secrets. They have a board game? Fail to look. What? Those all okay. I'll if I find something to share, I'll put it up for you guys to see. But I'm just browsing. What are you trying to? What's it trying to do? What's it doing? It's failing to load something. What's happening, dude? What's happening today? With shoulder hurt. Whoa! Thank you. Your message broke again. I don't know why this is. I wish it wasn't like this. Anyway, thank you, Anchor. Noom! This was meant for yesterday when you finished booking, but I passed out before witnessing it. Well, thank you. It was quite an accomplishment. It's the one with the stolen bones. I imagine most museums that have bones in them have stolen bones. Dun, dun. Oh, it's trying to load. It can't load this WebGL2 something. Got it. Hello, welcome. Welcome to our stream where the Smithsonian website stopped working. What's this? The heck is what have I opened? I'm verifying I'm human. Oh, isn't this project canceled? Is this still a thing? What a bird! He's neon. Is still a thing? I thought they gave up on this. Oh, I'm thinking of a different thing, I guess. Huh. Yeah, we might open the fossils wiki. We might. I'm browsing around right now. I'll let you know how it goes. We try other virtual tours of other museums to make the Smithsonian jealous. No other museums have virtual tours of fossils. I wanna keep to the topic at least that everybody voted for. You know? Teaching resources? You think that'll what you got in about teaching? We're teaching. I'm teaching you guys, right? Oh. Wait. How can he how can he be that means if he's entombed there, that means but huh? That's an objectively weird history. It sounds like it. Sounds like it. Why did this not? Paleontology. I don't know why you didn't take me there to begin with. That's where I wanted to be. A webinar? No, I am the webinar. What's this like? Agent said from the US, he only came to the US after he died. What? That's weird. You can go up and ride the mammoth in the Natural History Museum there in DC, but then you'll be escorted out. I thought this was a free country. It is a free museum, but alas. Oh. Hello, we looking at weird rock birds? No! I wish we were! What are all these? You got posters? What's this like? Fossils. Oh. Wow, there's a lot here. You got a lot of stuff on here. I'm waiting for it to... Ah! Okay. It's giving me alerts. There's a cool fossil on screen right now. Don't say that about Danny DeVito. I'm ignoring the second part of that message. Don't say that about Danny DeVito. Guys, one of my teeth keeps moving today. It's bugging me. I don't appreciate it. I wish it would stay put. I don't want it to be crooked. What is this? What is this? Oh, this might be finally losing my baby teeth. Yeah, sign of good luck. Sweet. You said a cable channel. Oh, that's fun. I bet that was pretty good. Oh, is this? This seems fun. Ow. Let's open this up. Let's see what we. Let's look at some stuff. Wait, that one? Yeah. Wow. Let's look at whatever this is. Good enough. Look, it's fossil leaves and evidence of insect damage. What do you see? This is a fragment of fossilized Katzer, tree leaf impressions left in a rock. Margin feeding insect damage. Ah! Why did it go over? Oh, okay. This one. Go in your own neighborhood and see if you can find modern evidence. Okay. Yeah. Where's this? About insect damage in paleobiology. Oh. The evolutionary history of insects and plants is oh. Wow, what a fun highlight. Time to close stream and look at leaves. Yeah, everybody go look at your local leaves and see the insect damage on them. Go. Good evening. Welcome to not quite what was planned for today. They've been co-evolving. Wow. Fossils with insect damage tell us about the interactions between the insects and the plants in the past. Isn't that cool? The types of insect damage on fossil leaves include skeletonization, margin feeding, galling, pole feeding, and leaf mining. You guys know about galling? That's cool. I'd like to see a gall fossil. That sounds great. So skeletonization. I've seen like skeleton looking leaves. I didn't know that was insects did that. Is it turned into an impromptu learning stream? Yeah, I mean it was gonna be a learning stream, but now it's a slightly different learning stream, I guess. Hold on. Leaf skeletonization. I'm just looking this up on my phone. Gulls are freaky. They should freak you out. No, I don't want to make them. No, natural. Plant skeletized, plant necromancer. Yeah. No, that's the same results. That's literally the same results. Fungi, bacteria, and invertebrates that break down the softer leaf tissue. But who's doing it? No, I don't want to do it as a stupid DIY project. I want to know who does it in real life. Whatever. I hate it here. Not the first time we've been scammed. Oh man. Maybe some of my ancestors and their family trees big, you know, maybe. We'll get back to those folks at some point. Right now we just got some leaves. Plant fossils or plant bones? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Alright, a reaction rim? A dark raised edge around the damaged areas. I guess that's like this. I get caused by the plant's stress response. Not every fossil leaf is preserved well enough to differentiate. Okay. Magnolia phyta. Okay. Fossil flora from the Green River Formation dated to the early Eocene. Cool. This is just about the emergence of the angiosperms. Alright, you wanna look at a T-Rex? I got a tab open on the T-Rex. About the Smithsonian, the nation's T-Rex. It's not even their T-Rex, they're borrowing it. They're borrowing it from a different museum. This is just about people trading. This isn't about the fossil. This isn't about the T-Rex. We realized how short his little arms are. We don't know what they did with their short little arms. It may not have been able to run quickly. Banana-shaped is quite a descriptor for teeth. They had a maximum walking speed of 25 miles an hour just because they're so big. So, to us, they would still be quite fast. Banana morph. I don't care about the people who discover. Also, although I gotta say, Edward Drinker Cope is such a name. Edward Drinker Cope? That's crazy. Wow. They're the largest biped ever known. How the heck did they walk? Banshees are the worst kind. They're the rip and tear type teeth. I mean, yeah, but... But banana? Many scientists have attempted to understand its musculature and function. Thought there were bigger bipeds on the planet. According to the Smithsonian, there were not. Bananas don't have teeth. At least one relative of the T-Rex was feathered. Fossils of early Tyrannosaur Dilong paradoxus had feather-like structures on its body. What's this a link to? Was Tyrannosaurus a big turkey? Well, I gotta find out now. Was Tyrannosaurus a big turkey? So serious. Oh no! There's ads. We have to leave. I'm scared. We have to leave. There's ads. I'm scared. Why does the Smithsonian Magazine website have ads like that? Small patches of skin with feather-like structures. Okay. And then at the end of the Cretaceous, they became extinct in the mass extinction event. Banana doll, you know? Missed opportunity. I'm gonna you try to load again, okay? You give that another try for me. You gotta understand the person and article that title's written for. Yeah, but gonna build a time machine for Thanksgiving. Isn't the blue whale the largest biped on the planet? It just spends this time swimming, but the inside of those flippers is totally limbs. Oh, I don't know the precise enough definition of biped to know if that's true or not. I don't know. Hey, are you working now? Ah, this isn't the virtual tour page. Virtual tour. Hold on, we're gonna try it again. You try to load over there. We'll be over here. What do we got? What do we got? Nope, it still doesn't work. Okay, it tried. What's this one? Post something on Facebook. This is a helpful trap to let them down gently. Guys, I had a story to tell you. This is not related to fossils or anything at all. Roommate had an encounter, had a very interesting encounter at work. Sometimes people bring baked goods in as a gift at roommates work, and one of roommate's coworkers is super allergic to nuts. Super strong, terrible nut allergy. And so this lady comes in and she's brought a gift of a baked good, and she's speaking to the allergic coworker and goes, I remembered that you have a nut allergy, so there's no nuts in this. And then the coworker goes, oh, so what's in them? And she says some things and lists peanut butter. And the coworker goes, oh, so it does have nuts in it. And the lady goes, no, it's only peanut butter, no nuts. Very sincerely. And that's terrifying. That's terrifying that there's people out there functioning in the world like that and probably having children and whatnot. That was absolutely horrific. What the heck is this? This ain't fossils. Dang it. This is cool though. This is neat. It's an ammonoid mollusk. Cool. Functioning. Not dead, so you know. Okay, so then a blue whale is not a biped. Got here, you're already saying crazy stuff. Look, somebody else said it. It's not my fault. What is this? A colony of microscopic bryozoans secreted calcium carbonate into this hard corkscrew-shaped skeleton. This is from the early Carboniferous period. Okay. Sweet Thomas should do her homework. Also, roommate described the thing that she brought, and it seemed absolutely disgusting. It seemed really disgusting. Okay, well, there's not much there, huh? Oh yeah, you wanna see a bird? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This is a dinosaur. Does this count? Is this close enough? Look at this bird. It's heckin' neon. I've never been on this site before. This is Dino. YouTube has like decided your thing says. That's a dinner, sir. What do I get if I click on Dinosauria? Oh, yeah, that's the dinosaur. Yeah. This is a strange site. This is a weird or I don't. What is the organization of this? Also my eyes. What? Data? What? So these are all of the things that classify what counts as a dinosaur? Or shared traits of dinosaurs? Look at all them dinosaurs! Huh. Oh. Oh, this is a fun place to find copyright-free dinosaur pictures. Ooh. This is eol.org. Encyclopedia of Life. Wow, how fun. Okay, I mean, what if I let's find a fun dinosaur. Oh, I can't reload a tab that I'm not on. Okay, that's fine. Oh, it's struggling to think. The rest of the Smithsonian sites might be going down too. Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at that cormorant though. What a guy. He has such personality. I think this is not gonna load. Is there something going on that I should know about? Is there a reason this is occurring? I'm gonna take it off the screen for a moment and look around. Just in case. I'm on a browser where nothing should be a problem, but just in case, you know. Okay, so that's still not working. This just won't load. Oh, nope, it loads now. Okay. Okay. There's more birds. There's more birds. Oh my god, look at that plover. That's adorable. Look at it. That's great. That's really great. That's great stuff right there. But it's not fossils. We were here for fossils. Let me, well, okay, now wait a second. Can we find, like, the extinct things on here? I don't know how to navigate this. Lizard-hipped dinosaurs? That's a duck. What about, like, extinct things? I don't know any... What's a sauropod? Oh, okay, we've made it to dead stuff. Okay. What's this guy? What's this guy? An Margosaurus kazawi in Melbourne. Is there collect media? To what? To where? How? Birds are not considered bird-hip dinosaurs. Isn't that crazy? Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, so here's like the whole tree. I see. Diplodosoidi. Oh, it's just this guy again. Let's oh wow, oh there's oh I see, there's a bunch of categories down here of all of this stuff. Wait, just for fun real quick. I just want to take a quick little oh, this is a fun page, but it doesn't like link to any. Huh. Food webs? Yeah, woodland strawberry. Oh, huh? There's a lot here. Oh, it says all the things that eat it, but oh, look at that little mouse. Oh, this is cool. Imagine if this was more fleshed out. Wow. Huh. Okay. Yeah, it was already not working before I started stream, yeah. Yeah, hold on, let me open Wikipedia, I guess. Oh, I can just search Wikipedia. Fossils. Here we are. Wikipedia. Is that real? Oh my god, look at that crab fossil. That's crazy. He looks the same as a living crab. Oh, these are kind of scary. Oh, that's spooky. Oh, I don't like that one. Oh, it's terrifying. Oh, wow. The crossel. Stop moving, teeth. Stop it. Wow, that looks like a face hugger. Wow, neat. Look at him. Look at this crab. the slow load does add to the oh jeez, we're close. Looked up the famously well preserved nodosaur fossil. The what? Look at him. Look at that rock crab. Look, that's just a crab. Dang. And then there's this horror. Ooh. 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 Oh, there we go. Not giving credit. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so it's nodosaur. Nodosaur. Oh! No. I don't know if that's the one you're talking about, but no. 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 My brain doesn't like it. Mm. Ooh. I don't like it. Ooh. Oh my, look at that armor. Oh jeez. Bony armor nodules and spine. Covered in keratin sheath. Oh boy. They were ankylosaurian. I don't wanna. Oh. Ooh, is it herbivore? Little leaf-shaped teeth. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, well-preserved mummy. Wait, there, make the text bigger. This is... Wait, can I make it? Oh! That's really wide. That's too wide, actually. Why isn't there a middle? That's okay. Look at its whole tree. Holy moly. Oh, that's a lot of just names of dudes who discovered things. Well, the timeline of ankylosaur research. What a Wikipedia page to have. What a dedicated page. I mean, look at that guy. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Man, the Navajo mythology goes crazy. Jesus is named after the guy who spent over a year delicately cleaning off the surrounding rocks. Whoa. Man, that'd be fun. I'd do that. How do you get into doing that? I'd do that. Would they pay me to do that? I gotta go, guys. I gotta go. I gotta find a fossil. Oh man, look at this guy. Holding out hope for Bamasaurus, Chief. Gotta keep digging out in the garden. I do, I guess, yeah. Oh man. That is lizard. Spicomelus afer? Oh man, look at all these guys. Iguanodon phillipsii. Acanthophilus horridus. Oh, you didn't have to call him that. Didn't have to call him horrid. That's so mean. Crypto Draco. No, lizard. Lizarb. No lizard, lizarb. Well, YouTube disagrees and thinks that it should be lizard. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Ooh, these are nice. Ooh, these are very nice. Let's go 1922. I was really holding out for the museum tour so that we could have sort of a better, more curated sort of learning experience and actually, get some information together in a semi-coherent manner. But that's fine. Oh, there's not like a picture of a skeleton. Here's what he looked like, maybe. How did they come up with like the colors? What did they just make it up? Did they just make up the colors? How did they decide on the colors to put on these things? Hello, is this Avalon the tour guide, Ellen? Unfortunately, no, because the website didn't work. But we're trying, I guess. There are tells for some colors in the fossil. Oh, like there's some chemical remnant of the color component. Hold on. Wikipedia. Dinosaur colors. Yeah. Dinosaur coloration is one of the unknowns in the field of paleontology, as skin pigmentation is nearly always lost during the fossilization process. Feathered dinosaurs and skin impressions have shown the color of some species can be inferred through the analysis of color-determining organelles known as melanosomes that are preserved in fossilized skin and feathers. I see. Anchiornis was an aviraptoran found in China, and the melanosomes in its feathers told us its colors. It was black, white, and gray with red on its head, like so. What a cutie! I like the weird leg feathers. Like, what were these about? What were these about? I don't think this isn't an Archaeopteryx, right? No. Oh no, that's Archaeopteryx. You skipped ahead. You skipped ahead. Archaeopteryx is a cool dude. I want like a print of a drawing of this Archaeopteryx on my wall. Anyway. Gliding? I guess so. Some chickens have leg feathers. I mean, a lot of birds have leg feathers, but not with like that distinct... Like, they look like wing feathers, you know? Blade leg glide. That'd be so funny. Can you imagine witnessing that? That's probably what it was, right? But they saw it in their dream. Another specimen had melanosomes in gray and black, but no red or brown. Might have been sexual dimorphism. Oh. Ah. Hello, is Virtual Museum Avalon Littlark doing a virtual tube about fossils? Yeah, I was supposed to be the Virtual Museum, the Smithsonian, but they quit. So it's me. The ones that aren't feathered or have no fossilized skin, then they make the colors up. Yeah, then they would have no idea what the colors are unless they, like, I don't know, infer from other ones that they do know, or just guess. Oh, there's a hummingbird! What you doing? I don't think there's any nectar on that for you, bud. Okay. Hello, is that an old fossil on my screen? Oh, wait, that's just bamboomer. No, that's an Archaeopteryx. An imprint. Yeah, those. Let's see. Archaeopteryx fossilized melanosomes suggested a primarily black coloration in the feathers of the specimen. Oh. Consistent with the flight feathers of modern birds, in which black melanosomes have structural properties that strengthen feathers for flight. Wait, the color makes them fly better? The color in the feathers makes them fly better. That's crazy. Okay. Oh boy, the Journal of Analytical Atomic Spectrometry. That sounds exciting. Archaeopteryx had light and dark colored plumage, only the tips of the feathers being primarily black instead of the entire feather. Oh! Red makes you faster. No, black makes you faster. The feather was matte black, not iridescent. Oh, I was wondering about that. Less elongated shape of the melanosomes. They noted that some of them preserved three-dimensionality in the specimen were distorted to give the impression of iridescent melanosomes. Huh. Here's the Archaeopteryx. What a guy. Oh man, look at this dude. Again with the presumably for gliding leg feathers. What an odd beak. Beak? Beak. Also. This one's weird too. The downy feathers. Oh, he's kind of cute. Look at that face. Look at that face. Wait, what is your beak thing? What is this? What's going on here? Hold on, let's look at this dude. It's a therizinosaurideropod. Yeah. Oh, that looks very different. That beak looks very different. Prosauropod-like teeth? They had teeth? Oh, that's a big boy. Oh. Eye browsing. Oh, okay. I'm being told they just munched some leaves. I'm being told they were just munching leaves. Oh, there's a lot of variety here, actually. Oh dear. Minecraft mods with prehistoric creatures. Aren't there Minecraft mods with everything? What's taphonomic? Oh, taphonomy is a study of how organisms decay and become fossilized or preserved in the paleontological record. I see. I see. Ow, my eyes. Oh, but everything's bad. I'm falling apart at the seams, guys. Taphonomy. I didn't know that word. Where does it comes from? The Greek for burial and law. Oh, that's what that's what the nami part is. Oh, onomy comes from the law. But I see tafo comes from burial. I've seen too hard lately, yeah. Opabinia? I will sacrifice my Archaeopteryx tab for you. Opabinia. Oh, I've seen these guys before. I've seen these guys. How big is this? Very important question. 7 centimeters. Okay. Okay. 7 centimeters. That's fine. That's okay. Yeah, look at this weirdo. Looks like a spore creature. Yeah, very small. Between 4 and 7 centimeters. Man. He had 15 segments, on each of which there were pairs of flaps pointing downwards and outwards. The flaps overlapped, so the front of each was covered by the rear edge of the one ahead of it. Yes, yes, yes. Body looked like a single conical segment bearing 3 pairs of overlapping tail fan blades that pointed up and out, forming a tail in a V-shaped double fan. I see, I see. I see. Do you want to see a big scary fish with a funny name? Maybe. Wait, 5 eyes. Wait, yeah, wait. Does it... Where does it say something about that? I had a proboscis. The head bore 5 stalked eyes, 2 near the front and fairly close to the middle of the head, pointing upwards and forwards. 2 larger eyes with longer stalks near the rear and outer edges of the head, pointing upwards and sideways, and a single eye between the larger pair of stalked eyes pointing upwards. They were compound like arthropod eyes? But this reconstruction, which is not backed up by evidence, is somewhat fanciful. So, okay, so they might not have compound eyes. What a habit. Bam. That guy. Extinct genus of jawless fishes. They're telling me there's a fish here. I'm being told there's a fish in this image. Looks like a chicken wing. Can I get a... Oh. What? What? Oh! Ah! 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 He's so scary! That's so scary, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. That's terrifying. Oh, I don't like him. I don't like him. I don't want him staring at me. He must go away. He must go away. He's really scary. He's really scary. Oh no. Okay, anyway. Look at his smile. I don't like looking at his smile. He does have a horror mascot face. Okay, the dunk. The Dunkleo Steus. Oh, he looks like a snapping turtle. Whoa, that was a fish. That was a fish. Oh dear. Oh dear. It looks like I feel like I've seen a monster in a movie or something that looked like this. I can't think of what though. Massive? No. Where does it say? 13 to 33 feet long. 1 to 4 tons. Ah! 16 feet. 16 feet. Oh my god. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's scary. Oh, wow. He's named after David Dunkel. I was wondering how you get a name like that. I see. Oh, oh. They were the apex predators of their time. Oh, I can see it though. These ones look a little silly. These ones look a little silly. Oh man, at least 10 different species. What's a wastebasket taxon? Taxon has the purpose of classifying organisms that do not fit anywhere else. Oh, oh no. David Dunkel is a VTuber name. Oh, here's another one. Oh man, look at that eye. Look at that eye socket. That's scary. Man. Not Pauladine. Not a Pauladine lad. No. Oh, that's terrible. Covered in dermal bone. Did it need armor plates? Like, what did it do with those? What did it do with that? The rest of the body armor. Oh my god. Why did it need those? Appearance of other portions of the fish is mostly unknown because they haven't been preserved. Oh. 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 Oh, that's gnarly. Intimidate the rest of the fish. Probably didn't either one of your max stats, why not? True. Look at it. It's so scary. Ugh. Yeah, very meaty. I don't like that. Trying to move him where you can see him better. Oh, he scares me. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh, there's a specimen that had a preserved pectoral fin outline. It implied that they have variable fin morphology. Cool. Reminds you of the Baki art style. True. Yeah, what they eat? A 4-bar linkage mechanism for jaw opening that incorporated connections between the skull, the thoracic shield, the lower jaw, and the jaw muscles joined by movable joints. What? Allowed it to achieve a high speed of jaw opening. Oh. Comparable to modern fishes that use suction feeding and produce high bite forces. Those are just a bunch of numbers. I don't have a frame of reference to understand those. Considered the highest bite force of any living or fossil fish, and among the highest of any animal. Oh. Oh. Great. Neat. Okay. Pressures generated in those regions were high enough to puncture or cut through cuticle or dermal armor. Adapted to prey on free-swimming armored prey such as ammonites and other placoderms. Yeah, take that, piranhas. Oh. Oh. Oh boy. Oh, they tear their prey into pieces. Great. Or my allergies are kind of bad today. Oh, they found teeth in the remains. What is that? Oh! This guy's thought to be a fast-swimming pelagic fish. Is that big? That looks... this looks like it's really big. Up to 13 feet long. And that guy was just snacking on him. Oh... oh... Fossils, like, fossil stuff like this gives me the extreme, like, makes my head shudder uncontrollably feeling. Oh, they're thought to be related to the chimeras. Oh. Oh. Oh, biology of sharks and their relatives. That seems like a fun book. Back to Dunkel. Oh man, it just doesn't look real. It just doesn't seem real. Like, I'm so used to seeing monster and like robot designs that are almost definitely based on this, right? But it makes it, then you see this and it doesn't seem like it could be real. It was a carnivore. Look at those teeth. They're not really mock-ups and not the real fossils. I mean, I could tell that part of this is a mock-up, but like... this is still based on the actual... I know they're... well, okay, the real fossils are kept in storage. Yeah, but like, this is... it's made to look like the real fossil. They're not making it look... they're not making the mock-ups that aren't the same as the fossils. Yeah, it's a model of the real one. So like, that doesn't change my point at all. That has no bearing on what I was saying, whether this is the actual fossil or not. This is still visually the same as the fossil. This one's goofy. I like the juvenile. He's kind of silly. I can handle that one. Gracile? What does that mean? Oh, slenderness. Oh. Oh. I do fear fossils. That's what I've learned today. Natural enemies archaeologists. That's a different thing. Archaeology is a different thing. One of the first vertebrate apex predators of any ecosystem. And we called him the dunk. Would it be better if it wasn't cast in metal? No, yeah, no, I don't, huh? I don't know, man. Oh, wait, flat boy. Wait, look at him. I like this one. Oh man, I feel like feverish now. My allergies, man. Oh, it's a really short. Oh, I don't have much about it. Don't laugh. I laugh charitably. The Wyoming Dinosaur Center. Do you have a functional virtual tour? Hold on. Let me just do you have a functional virtual tour, Wyoming Dinosaur Center? Their site might not exist. Their site might not exist. Trying to refresh the Smithsonian one again. I should stop. Yep, that doesn't... Oh. Yeah, they don't like that. The Wyoming Dinosaur Center will not let me visit their website via Tor browser. How dare they? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, they don't seem to have a virtual tour, so it's fine anyway. And the Smithsonian site is still not working. Let's go back to taphonomy. Let's learn about how fossils come to be. The Smithsonian staff know the state of play is later. They wanted to take a break to watch it. Man. Taphonomic phenomena are grouped into two phases. Biostratonomy. Biostratonomy. Events that occur between the death of the organism and the burial. And diagenesis. Events that occur after the burial. Huh? I don't understand the distinction we're making. Physical and chemical changes in sediments. Okay. If you want to see what Dunk ate, oh no. Oh no. Orthocerata, a long squid boy. Oh. Oh. I'm scared. How did a long squid guy get I typed that wrong, thank you. How did that get, oh, it has a shell. Oh, these guys! I feel like we looked at these when we did cephalopods. I feel like we looked at these. Oh, that's so many sources. Yeah, cool. Cool. No, not Pinhead. Taphonomy has expanded to include the fossilization of organic and inorganic materials through both cultural and environmental influences. What does that mean? What? Taphonomy is now most widely defined as the study of what happens to objects after they leave the biosphere, enter the lithosphere, and are subsequently recovered and studied. Okay. It's an oil thing. Oh, my first thought was like bog bodies or something. That probably counts in here somewhere. A multidisciplinary concept is used in slightly different contexts across various fields of study. Fields that employ the concept of taphonomy include archaeobotany, archaeology, biology, forensic science, geoarchaeology, geology, paleoecology, paleontology, and zooarchaeology. Yep. There are 5 main stages of taphonomy: disarticulation, dispersal, accumulation, fossilization, and mechanical alteration. Can I get like a better breakdown? No, okay. No, okay, I cannot. That's fine. What's up with the, oh wow. Is this the La Brea Tar Pits or an artist studio from the 60s? Take your pick. For only $1,999.99, Chief will turn you into a bog body. Oh, okay, it goes on to explain it more. Okay, the first stage, disarticulation, occurs as the organism decays and the bones are no longer held together by the flesh and tendons of the organism. Okay. Dispersal is the separation of pieces caused by natural events. Accumulation is when there's a buildup of organic and or inorganic materials in one location, like scavengers or human behavior. Wait, what? When mineral-rich groundwater permeates organic materials and fills the empty spaces, a fossil is formed. Okay. It gets buried. Why is it scavengers or human behavior put there? Okay. Okay. Final stage is mechanical alteration. These are the processes that physically alter the remains, i.e. freeze, thaw, compaction, transport, burial. Wait, what? This is not a very clearly written Wikipedia page. I do not follow these stages. They're not only successive, they interplay. Chemical changes occur at every stage of the process due to the presence of bacteria. Oh. But then why? Changes begin as soon as the death of the organism. Right. But animals making food piles, people burying people. Right, but like, is that they say that like that's a guaranteed part of the process? That's not bound to happen. I don't know. Most often the organisms are dead because a predator has killed them. Digestion modifies the composition of flesh as well as that of the bones. Alright. Look it's an articulated wombat skeleton. Great. Mega biases. Large-scale pattern in the quality of fossil record that affects paleobiological analysis. Oh, this is just because plants don't... The soft things don't fossilize well idea. Probably. I was reading up on this a while ago. The description isn't clear. Yeah. I don't know. I guess part of the problem is that, like they said, taphonomy applies to a lot of different fields. It's like one term that we use for a bunch of different studies. What are trace fossils? Oh, like tracks. It's a fossil record of biological activity, but not the actual remains of the organism. Ah. Burrows, borings, urolites, which is erosion caused by evacuation of liquid waste. Oh. Oh, what? Oh. Oh, that would take a lot. That would take a lot. Okay, footprints, feeding marks, and root cavities. I watched a video once where they talked about what was the animal? It was it Hyrax? That they found fossilized like Hyrax relative butt scoots. In like where they were like it was like a dragging like mark that had been fossilized. Oh, look at that. Imagine seeing footprints like that. Mammoth footprints cross section. How do you... Huh. How would you know? Like, you cut that open in a cross-section like that. How do you know that's what that is? Oh, in South Dakota. Oh, it's the tracks and the creature that made them. Oh my god! Oh! Oh, that's so strange to witness. Like it just it went here and then it died. Oh. Oh. Man, imagine finding these. That's my thing with a lot of fossils, and especially like really small fossils and stuff. Like how do they find this? Man. Guess we know what elephant footsteps look like, I guess. What sort of PhD do you get to be the eminent butt scooch expert? I don't know. Some kind, though. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at the poor little guy. Hold on, let's learn more about him. Mesolimulus? Walkie. Walkai. Walchi. I don't know. Spanning over 140 million years. They've been found in a bunch of places. They look virtually identical to modern horseshoe crabs, but they're not the same. Apparently. Huh. Horseshoe friend. Poor little horseshoe friend. I mean, everything's got it. Oh. A pusher? Pusher leg. Like a snowshoe. Oh, that's what made the bird-like footprints. Oh, okay. It has a special leg that's like a snowshoe that it like walked with. And that's what made the footprints. Oh. I was wondering what those marks were about. Not the Triassic Roomba! Oh, man. Oh, worm trails? No, that's just a worm. I wanted the worm trail. I wanted the fossil worm trail. That sounded cool. Ugh. My eyes. Okay. Look at this dinosaur footprint. Individual trace fossils that occur repeatedly in time and space. What? Infer the state of a sedimentary system at the time of its deposition by noting the fossils in association with one another. What? What? I don't understand what you mean. Am I just stupid? Am I too stupid for fossils? Assemblage of trace fossils, present indication of conditions of the formative organisms inhabited. So it's just a group of trace fossils? Okay. Oh, that's kind of scary looking. Oh, it's a burrow. Produced globally by a variety of organisms, mostly in shallow marine environments, appears as linear features in sedimentary rocks. Oh. Oh. These are, it's mostly like burrows. It's a group of fossils that together give insight in the environment at the time. Yeah, that seems what it seems to be. But they don't explain it enough. Whoa! Oh. Oh. I feel like I've heard of that. Yeah, the devil's corkscrew. Oh. Large numbers of closely packed, deeply meandering trails that tend to coil. I don't want to click on it. It's not been matched with known modern organisms. Believed to have been grazing trails made by worms. I don't want to click on it. Oh, it's just a drawing. It's okay. It's just a drawing. It's okay. What a weirdo. Is this a drawing of an actual fossil, though? Is it a drawing of this? I don't. Okay. Worm-like organisms could totally be in sci-fi horror. Yeah, it would fit. They'd fit right in there. Oh. Oh. Anyway, back to trace fossil. Wait, this is a... It just looks like tire tracks. A slug-like animal. That just looks like tire tracks. You telling me that's a fossil? That's 18 inches. Wouldn't you like to see a slug that's, I don't know, 4 inches wide? Wouldn't that be a sight? The slug was riding an ATV. But also, okay, so imagine the scenario that would have led to the formation of all of these marks overlapping in the way that they do. Like, is it one slug that just passed over this area a bunch? Was it a bunch of slugs? How would this not have been disturbed? That's so wild. That's why I'm not a paleontologist. I think there's a lot of reasons why I'm not a paleontologist. You can also tell, like, this trail is older, right? Because, like, this one has this more distinct ribs, then it crosses over it. You like this image? Yeah. Well, it's in Wisconsin if you want to pay it a visit. This here site. It's from the Cambrian period. I don't know nothing about the old periods of time. That's so long ago. Reading something about roads that move in the desert. This is how I imagine that looking. Oh. Yeah. That's fun. Oh, it's that scary one again. Oh my god. Burrows. Look, burrows. Thalassinoides. Let's see what a thalassinoides is. Oh, never mind. We only have the burrows. Oh. Oh. Okay. It's a taxon named for. We don't have the thing. We don't have an actual fossil of the thing, but we've named it based on the evidence of it that we found. Okay. Cambrian period was where life really got going, hence it's from Cambrian explosion. Oh, right. Those are the ones the Crucible Knights are named after. Yeah, well, that should have been like all of them. They were supposed to have Crucible Knights named for like all of them, you know? Maybe one day I'll learn this kind of stuff. It'd be cool to get to. Decapod crustacea. Oh. That's your standard lobster. It's just yep, it's just a fish. What's the Mesozoic? Oh my god. Oh. It was the time of the conifers. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so cool looking. There was an this happened after a big extinction event. This is when Pangea began to break apart. Oh, yes, yes. Yeah, I'll go for another suggestion. I'm just kind of looking around. They got so much history that they patched in prehistory. Sometimes the thing can be too big. Yeah. Prehistory is like Shadow of the Earth Tree. That could mean a lot of things. That could mean that there's a lot of implications that could be had in that. The age of reptiles. Oh. That might not necessarily be true, given the language they're using to describe that claim. Oh, the early Triassic Earth. Wow. But no. No way these would be that, like, distinguishably the same as they are now. No way. What's going on here? No. Anyway. Predecessors of sharks, alright. A lot of them look like fish trying to be hardcore. I'm ready. Acanthodii. Acanthodii. I don't know how to say it. It's okay. What a dude. There was always a Florida, right? That was my thought. I saw Florida there and I went, no! That lens might be there for our convenience. Oh, maybe that was it. Okay. Maybe. Alright. Oh, both bony fish and cartilaginous fish. They're popularly named spiny sharks. They were superficially shark-shaped. Okay, but they're not true sharks. Stem shark. Okay. Sometimes when you point something in it makes it takes a while to find the cursor. I'm sorry. It's kind of hard to see stuff. These predate sharks. Oh, look at the. I love their doofy faces. Oh, this image is really small. I love their doofy faces. Like, look at these guys. Look at that blank stare. Wow. Coal swamps of the Carboniferous. Oh, look at that. Etching depicting some of the most significant plants from the Carboniferous. Oh, how accurate can that be? I wonder, how could they? Where would? Oh. Oh man, that looks cool. 1906. Why were the trees so hairy? It looks like they have less thoughts than no thoughts. They really do. Oh, that's a pen. That's not a pen. Okay. I gotta, I want to learn about paleobotany. I want to learn about plant evolution. Anyway, we're looking at fish. Doliotis. Close relative of Acanthodii. He's in there somewhere. There's a fish in there somewhere. Oh, that's a big group. That's a huge group. Jeez. We left out this guy though. Oh, I see. This went on to become sharks, I guess, then? What's this guy? Oh! Oh no, that's just all bony fish. I see. The osti makes sense. That means bone. I see. Alright. Well, we should probably- wait, no. It's a 2! It's a 2! It's a 2. We still have like an hour before we gotta be ready to swap over for state of play. Okay. Let me check the Smithsonian again. Let me see if we can actually do our fossil tour. That's the wrong page. Oh, I'm sad that I couldn't find another one to do also. I'm sad this seems to- okay, it's still not working. Let me make sure, but... What is that? No. What? Oh, I can't- oh, no. What? It's that- oh. Okay, sorry, hold on. Just... Hello, how the Steam today? Is this Steam or did you mean Stream? Steam's fine, I guess? I don't know, is Steam fine? Stream's fine, except for the Smithsonian not function. Okay, I'm gonna search the collection for this thing I'm seeing, and we're gonna stare at it because it's terrifying. Okay, yeah, the virtual tour is still not working, but let's see if we can get a good picture of this bad boy. Is this even a fossil? Ah. It's just linking me to the virtual tours. Oh. Aw. This is a list of stuff we should be seeing on the tour that we can't do. I want that. Now I have to look through this whole list. I have to look through this whole list for the thing that they had a picture of back there. And that's the ocean. Few fossils I know that made scientists go, was that since their discovery, and because they make no sense in any way. That's great. I have to have missed it. It can't be this far back. Oh, there's bugs. I feel like it, not in this section. The Tully monster? Tully monstrum? Okay. Tully monstrum. Soft-bodied sea animals. It just looks like a fish. Oh! Worm! Worm! Seahorse! Worm! Yes. I want to go to a fossil museum. I feel like this would be extra terrifying in person. Oh, there's a bunch of a bunch of papers of arguments over what it is. That's great. That's great when that's most of the Wikipedia page. The dancing worms of Turkana? A prank? Oh dear. Oh dear. Wait, ranges on whether it even has a spine. Yeah, that seems to be vertebrate versus non-vertebrate is the thing. That's crazy though, that like that's what people are. Where was I? This one. That does sound like a sci-fi novel title. Where is this one that you it didn't come up in my search. This is all that came up in the search. Hold on, I'll just go back to the other page and show you. No, where's the other page? What? Okay, no, here it is, Look! Look! The Elden Ring moose is real. It's a deer, but the Elden Ring giant moose is real. I want to see more pictures of it, but I can't find it on this dang list. Hold on. It's Megaloceros. It's not here! Oh my god. Fine. I guess it doesn't count. It's not a part of the thing, even though it says it's on the thing. Whatever. Hallucigenia. The name is already a bad start. Hallucigenia. Aw. What? Caterpillar. That's what the Elf King was writing in the Hobbit movies. We don't talk about the Hobbit movies here. But yeah, no, that's the regal ancestor spirit. I wanted to see how big it was. Maybe if I search for Megaloceros. Maybe if I put that in the search, it'll actually come up. Megaloceros. Please? 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 No! 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 This is the page I was already on! Anyway. Back to the caterpillar. Is Cambrian. They're similar to the velvet worm. And the water bear. Much better to look at. And arthropod. Ooh, spider warning. Ooh. Yeah, wait, maybe Wikipedia has a page about it. Good thinking. Oh! You tell me this thing's Irish? You tell me this thing is from Ireland? Yeah, that's the sound it made. Oh! Oh! Some more pictures. Oh! That's a big moose. Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, I guess. Didn't go extinct all that long ago. It didn't sound like it. No. Does it say? The antlers were 14 feet across! One of, but not... Oh, remains found in bogs. Abundant remains found in bogs in Ireland. Guys, I have to go. I'm packing my bags. I'm going to the bogs of Ireland. That's crazy. About 7,700 years ago in Western Russia. That's really not very long ago, yeah. That's not very long ago. Ooh. They loved waiting in bogs. Probably to leap out from ambush. Oh. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, that's crazy. Oh. This one doesn't look as big. Wait, what's this about? What's this? What's this part? Hold on, it has to take a second. Let's hear about mammoths, but not these guys. Yeah, why don't we hear about these guys? What's up with this? The scoop. What's up with what? It had shades? Keep the sun out of its eyes? Built-in canopy? The mammoths were still around when the pyramids of Egypt were built. Stop! Stop! Or they head-butted. Oh, it looks like it would break off, though. I don't think so. Cup holders. Does it say? I don't see anything with this name. Yeah, I don't know. Burrito holder? In the lake diorama project, can you put a megalocera? I don't think it would fit. I think it's bigger than the entire scene already. Huh. Huh. Yeah, that's what I thought that'd be. Yeah, none of these are describing the— Cave art that's believed to be of these guys. Oh, I'd believe that. Yeah, that makes sense. They went extinct because they kept tipping forward. I don't know, they weighed 1,500 pounds or more. I think they could hold up the antlers. Oh. Wait. Tied? Is the moose really that big? I know the moose. I know meese are real big. I know moose are really, really big, but like that big? This big? Does it say if they could double jump? I don't think so. Third largest. Well, no. Tied as third largest. That means that that it's the same size as the moose. Oh. Oh. Cave in South America that was carved out by giant sloths only a few thousand years ago. Let's go to 1. Yeah, what is the largest? I don't know. It does. I don't think it. 6, 7 at the shoulders. Moose is smaller but denser. It's talking about weight. Oh yeah, it does say heaviest. Well, no, it says 3rd largest known deer. Maybe. Oh yeah. Okay, this is number 1. This is number 1. Then, right? Considerably larger than living moose. One of the largest deer to live. Look at those antlers. Those are scary. Oh. Looks like we don't have as many big, we don't have a lot of complete remains of these. How about number 2? Oh, we got this boy. Oh. Oh! Oh! It's weird, like, the difference between a deer skeleton and a moose skeleton. There's something so... like, hunched about a moose. Howdy! Thought we were looking at dinosaurs with... One thing sure do look like folklore monster. No, it's real. This is moose. Oh no. Yeah, sorry, the Smithsonian fossil tour that we were going to do ceased to function, so we're just looking at these guys. Okay. I lost it. Paraceratherium. That's a whole skeleton, huh? A full-grown moose is 7 feet tall and 10 feet long. Yeah. Okay. What's this guy? Rhinoceratoid. Oh, sorry. Rhinoceratoids. What's scary about this guy? I mean, he's big, right? But like... You know the horror movie The Ritual? I don't. That thing is so costume. It's a rhino-giraffe hybrid? I don't know, this one doesn't scare me for some reason. Made elephants look small. Really? That's like elephant sized, isn't it? This seems like roughly elephant size. Or ish? No? This guy doesn't scare me for some reason. Has friend vibes. Okay. Oh, it's like, oh, it's very hoarse. Oh, it's very hoarse. YouTube decided to translate that to just a rhinoceros, but yes, a rhinoraph. Yeah, a rhinoraph. An Ella rhinoraph. Huh. I'm out of my tea. I put spearmint in my green tea today. It was very good. Huh. Titanoboa? That's name. That's it. Oh! Oh, he's such a guy. What a dude. I don't know, he seems like a friend. 15 to 20 tons. YouTube has decided to translate that to "This is my rhinoraph." I love it here. Oh, look at those teeth! The final boss of tapirs. True. Oh wow. Wow, majestic. I don't know, this guy, you know, I'm totally fine with this one. It doesn't scare me. I like it. I like it a lot. He's pretty alright. No fear. No fear from that one. Alright, I'm looking up the Titanoboa. No, Titanoboa. It is a snake. How big? How big is snake? Big snake. I get your brain around the scale of that one. I don't know. Biggest land animal. Oh, wow. These animals used to be common, but it seems over millennia they've tapered off. Proportions make sense as I see it's tree sized. I don't know. It's like, I don't know. Yeah, it's made of very familiar parts. Oh, they found it in a coal mine. Yeah, that's just a snake, okay, but like, ah. Mm-hmm. Alright, yeah. Largest snake in the fossil record. A boid? Never heard about boid. Well, it's just boas. Huh. That's one thick one. Oh, I'm kind of sad there's not more complete fossils of them. No, you don't get a good... They don't give you a good sense of them. I have to get my snake paintings from first grade. I don't know, man. They ate fish? Acted much like a modern anaconda. They fed on the local crocodilomorph fauna. What is that? Now wait, you said crocodilomorph and I thought I knew what we were talking about. What is that? Why are its legs like that? Why is he doing that? Why is he doing that? Something went wrong here. This isn't right. Why is he so leggy? Why leggy, boy? This seems wrong! It seems so wrong! Oh! Oh! Oh, I hate it! It's got like Kirby with human legs vibes. What's the nightmare? Trying to reconstruct all 2 billion vertebrae of the big noodle? Yeah. Oh. I mean, I know that like crocodiles and alligators are still really fast. Like they don't seem like they'd be fast runners, but they are really fast runners. I guess it's their heritage. They used to be built for speed even more than they are now. Aw. And Big Snake ate these. Legodile. YouTube didn't like that, but yeah, Legodile. Oh. On a small image comparing Titanoboa to a human, it's kind of crazy. It seems crazy. All crocs and dinos descended from an ancestor that was once bipedal. That makes sense. Based on what I'm looking at. So what you're saying is that we could go back. We could go back. Imagine if all crocodiles were like that when they stood up properly. I've not seen a hedgehog stand up properly. What do you mean? Hold on, I want to go back. Can I go back far enough to find the bipedal one? Because these are still... Oh wait, there we go. This guy's on 2 legs. But he's trying. Oh, that's fun looking. This guy's not still. He wears shoes and everything. What? Sarasukis. No. No. Oh, look at that guy. Ooh. Eee. Switch up with the current croc with the longest legs. The Cuban croc. Hindsight seems like a pug version of the. Hold on, yeah, let's look at that then. Let's get a comparison of. So this is what they looked like before. Cuban crocodile. And this is this is what they're working with these days. A little bit less. Yeah, why is its head so short? This looks like an alligator. This guy looks like an alligator. He doesn't have the standard crocodile features that I'm used to telling them apart by. How far they've fallen, I know, right? Oh wow, that's a really tiny range. Wow. Oh, there he's standing up. There we go. Ooh, that's threatening. That's threatening, but look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. You can't hate that. Galloping? He's ready. Yeah, he does look very ready. I don't know, it's wild to look at the long leg guy and then look at this and think that, like, I don't know, this looks like it's probably very, very close to what that looked like, just like slightly different proportions, you know? Like, it's like when you look at a fern and you go, wow, this is, you can feel how old that those features are, you know? This guy's like that. Wow, there's a lot more crocodiles than I thought. Alright, there was another I saw the Sarcosuchus. Sarcosuchus? Crocodilomorph. Oh, look at that mouth. Oh, that's huge. Oh, those are some teethers. Oh. Oh! King Crocodile is terrifying. Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh! I'm covering up the human for scale behind me. You can see the head, though. Oh! I like that the front of the mouth is wider. Yeah, it is kind of weird, but it like has a it's like a scoop kind of. It looks like a spoonbill kind of deal. Wait, what's the size on these? 31 feet. Uh, 31 feet. Great. Oh, it had a snout resembling the living gharial. Oh, what is... That's... Is that a real... That doesn't look... That doesn't look real. That doesn't look right. Why does that look wrong? Why does it look wrong? Almost as long as I am tall. Yeah! Almost. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, look at these weird spine plates. Kind of like the armor fish. You could hunt small dinos for food, yeah. They eat the fish? Gharial. Hold on. This is a living thing, not a fossil. Oh, what am I looking at? Why is it so scary? Why is it scary? Oh! Oh! Are we sure this is real? Oh! What? Ah! Oh! That's very different from the other one. Oh, wait, why is it so different? Oh, the Pennywise of Craw. Wait, why is it? That's some intense dimorphism. That's some intense dimorphism. I'm so confused about the male though. Can I see that again? What's wrong with its nose? What's happening here? Why is it like that? Why does it look like a dolphin? Kinda. Why is it giving dolphin? I mean, good for them, I guess, if that's what they're into. But like, I don't know, man. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. Oh, it's so freaky looking. Oh no! What was what else did we have? One I already looked at. Longisquama. Longisquama. Sawfish, they're pretty cool. Sawfish good. What a long face you have, Grandma. Longisquama. The heck is that? Its name means unusual. There's controversy connecting it to the origin of feathers. Oh, what? What? Oh. Oh! What? Oh, it's little! Oh! Oh, it's little! Oh, wow! Look at those! Oh, cool. It's adorable. Oh! What did those do, man? What are those for? What are these for? Somebody... A hockey stick? Compared to rosary beads? Nobody says what they think these are for. Ah. Portable hockey stick. Oh! Oh! Okay, this is believed to not be true. They had to look on Goofy so Archaeopteryx could fly. Long scales. Oh. Tree-dwelling organism with a prehensile tail. These were not effective for gliding, likely served as an elaborate display structure. Man, that's wild. Yeah, they don't even know what they were for. They just had them. Boomerangs, great. Alright, Glyptodon? I'm glad you guys know so many fossil things, because I don't. Oh! Oh, he's so cute! He's so cute! Little rock. I mean, maybe big rock, actually. Big, little, what, no, this description? Little-ish, at least. Never mind! Not little! Not little! Not little! Big guy. Big rock guy. Wow. He's got the jowls built into the skull. Impressive. Evolution really be doing anything back then. True, yeah. History Channel special about how ancient aliens must have guided the evolution of these goofy critters. Scientists have no other explanation. You know that it's a thing. Oh wow, they showed the skeleton separate from the shell. Oh, that's cool. I like his toes. I like the toes. Those are fun. Wow. Look at the sky. He's little compared to giant sloths and smilodons running around. Oh man, the smilodon. The classic smilodon. We didn't load the images, so I thought it didn't have images. Yeah, no, we had them. Oh wow, look at the, whoa, look at those. Oh, what a strange structure. Diplocaulus, I don't think I have. Here we go. Tag yourself on quizzical hat, man. I like that. I liked that guy. Diplocaulus. An amphibian? Oh, these guys! I have seen these before. Look at that. Why is he like that? Blame God for taking the Glyptodon away from us. He gives so much friend energy. He does. This guy gives friend energy too. Skin flaps. I like this painting. This is fun. Not the usual paleo art style. I like him. Now that is a boomerang. Are honey badgers related to Smilodons? Oh. How do you end up with a skull like that? Lots of different species. The function of the tabular horns. Various hypotheses have been put forth to the purpose of these horns. Protected external gills. A counterweight to offset the heavily built forward part of the head, which would have been difficult to lift otherwise. May have been maladaptive developments because of internal metabolic derangement. It could have supported skin flaps capable of assisting it in skate or stingray-like locomotion. Entirely conjectural. Used the head as a burrowing tool. Oh. Honey badger and Smilodon aren't related. I didn't think they were, but you know, we'll look it up. We'll look it up. Well, I don't know why those would be related. J.R. Bierbauer. What names these guys have? No wonder I can't be a paleontologist. I don't have a cool enough name or a funny enough name. When you whole can of Pringles, is that metabolic derangement? Yes. Yes, it is. Operculum-like vertical pouches protecting external or internal gills. Huh. Okay. Looks like that one Pokemon, Dragapult. Oh my god, that probably is what that is based on, actually. Let's see. I was gonna look up the Smilodon. Is there an E in Smilodon? No, no, I didn't think so. Okay. Yeah, it's a cat. It's a saber-toothed cat. That's what I thought. Okay. I thought it was a saber-toothed cat. I didn't know honey badger. That ain't no honey badger. Arthropleura. Arthropleura. It's a big bug. Oh, it's a big bug. Oh, it's a big bug. Oh, he's cute though. Oh, it's adorable. Oh, wait, it's adorable. Oh. You mentioned on the canine side of the carnivore split. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, it's footprints. Oh, okay, okay. It's just footprints. Okay. That scared me. Gorgonopsid? Well, that's a promising name. That's a promising name, Gorgonopsid. What a dude! I like him. Longer than the tallest year was tall. No. Oh! Oh! 8 feet. Okay. Gorgonopsia. Why is this guy called the Gorgon? Why are you called that? Why are you called that? Who decided this? Who made this decision? Oh, it's so long looking. Is it a snake? It's not a snake. That's not. You tell me that's a snake? You telling me that's a snake? Richard. Richard, what were you? Oh my god, Richard. Because it's real ugly. Oh no. Snake Metal Gear Ready. Oh, he doesn't look like one. Oh, Richard. Badgers aren't on the dog side, but their family is closer to dogs than cats. I see, I see. I'm glad we've learned. Huh. Alright, Sir Richard Owen. The Karoo Supergroup. Oh my. Oh my. You ever think of how cool it would be to like know people and get to see these kinds of sites? I think about that sometimes. Oh my god, look at him. It looks like a dog. It has such a dog vibe. Moscops. He's such a dog! Oh man, look at him! Calf face. Aww. Wait, there's a TV series? That looks terrifying. Dog floor message next to him in a Souls game, yeah. Oh, I hate that 3D rendering of it. No, that's oh, look at it. It does look like a cow. Wait, it does look like a cow. In the skull, in the face. See, this one they named it right. The Gorgon guy, I don't know why they... I don't know why they... Oh dear. Oh. Oh, he looks less dog. He looks less friend. What is this? Oh, his teeth, dude. Those teeth. Holy moly. Oh, they were head butters. They were head butters. We're gonna opposite was called it because of his face. Well, that's just mean. What's this part all about? Whiskers? These are a lot. These are a lot. Epinocephalus assemblage zone. It's a part of the Karoo supergroup. What the? No, it's a biozone. He's a, I don't know if he's a thinker. I don't know. Boonstra. Oh. Look at that again, everybody in these names. Paleontologists and their dang names. Oh my god, look at that guy. Look at that guy, he's so serious. He's a thinker. Alright. Cotilorhynchus. I typed it wrong. Cotilo. Yeah. A synapsid. Oh! Huh? What a fiction! Nose jump scare. What is this? Semi-aquatic lifestyle. Is this a turtle? Without a shell? Cup hollow beak snout. No. 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 What was evolution thinking? Why is his head so little? Why would Why? Why would you be like this? What was the plan? What was the plan? Why are you like this? Very ale. Oh no. I guess he's friend shape. Yeah, this is a long page. Fully. Yeah, I guess. He evolved to provide plentiful food for surrounding predators. Oh. But just like that gigantic ribcage, like, did he just have huge lungs? Wait, indicates the presence of a massive digestive system, suitable for ingesting large amounts of low-nutrient plants. The dentition shows that it's clearly herbivorous. Oh. Oh. A relatively mobile, massive tongue. He looks like he lives in Chicago. Wow. Alright, well, that's why he... No thoughts, many low-nutrient plants. That's what he's built for. That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, well. Deep dish pizza appreciator. That's so many references. That's so many references. Wow, we've done a lot of writing on this guy. This is a really thorough long Wikipedia page. We know a lot about this weirdo. Look at that. Look at that. Big monkey. I've heard the name before. I've heard the name Gigantopithecus, I think. Big monkey. Meganura. No, I don't think we did. I think I missed that one. It's orangutan. Hello, how's the philosophizing about fossilizing going? Oh, pretty good. Pretty good, yeah. Big monkey. That big monkey. Oops. Meganura. Insect? Oh. Oh. It's actually me, I'm Big Monk. Oh! How big is this? How big is this? How big is this? Oh, these are those dragonflies everybody talks about that were a foot wide. Yeah. No, sorry, a foot long. No. 2 feet long. 2.5 feet long. 2.5 feet wide. Sorry. Wingspan, 2.5 feet. I arrived at the exact correct time, thought I was late, but I was just in time for Big Monkey. Yeah, just like Sekiro. Oh. Oh. It was so much better when it was just the wings. It was so much better when I could only make out the wings. Oh dear. Them some thick legs. Oh. Oh. Oh boy. Yep, that's Big Bug. Would it really have been this color, or did we just make that up? Would it really have been that color? Not seeing anything about it. Oh yeah, the weird shark thing with the spiral mouth. I've seen that, yeah. Weighing insects in pounds is kind of horrible. Yeah. Quite happy I could not breathe in today's atmosphere. Yeah, the high oxygen levels hypothesis. Air dominance hypothesis? There have been other theories. Lack of aerial vertebrate predators allowed pterygote insects to evolve to maximum sizes during the Carboniferous and Permian periods. Accelerated by an evolutionary arms race for increased body size between plant feeding blah 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 blah, and evolution of flying tetrapods such as pterosaurs were more agile and less restricted by a drag may have provided a predatorial threat which the giant insects of the Paleozoic could not overcome. Yeah, right. Yes. Right, yes, of course. But also then there's the more well-known idea that... Wait, a railway engineer had this idea? Okay. Yeah, no, I'm keeping an eye on the time. I'm keeping an eye on the time. We'll probably call it real soon. I gotta also get a snack. Huh. Great. Okay, one more. That's our last one. Quit. What's the Coatless this? Oh. Are they stating plays today? They are, yes, in half an hour. Oh, they're from Texas. Oh boy. Oh wow, look at him. Oh boy. Oh. Oh, that's how that worked. Oh. Oh. No. What? Pick a lane, buddy. Pick a lane. Pick a lane. Why the penguin like that? The dinosaur heresies. Oh. Okay. Is that a reliable source? Oh, this is a really extensive page. We've done a lot of research on this bad boy. Well, you can check out more about that if you want, and yeah, I think we're gonna break and hop over to the other stream for the state of play. I told it to redirect, so hopefully it will actually do so. Hopefully it will actually work. I'm expecting a snake, yeah. Well. Alright. Where the heck is the right window? Where's my window? There's too many windows. Help. Help. Where is it? Where'd it go? Why is it gone? Where's my window? Where's my window? What? It's not that one? Where's the window? Where's my main window? There it is. Okay. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna raid over to the state of play stream for right after this, and then you guys will hang out there for a moment and wait for me to take a short break, and then we will start that and we can discuss before it actually starts. Whatever we think we are gonna see. Woohoo! Yeah, we'll try a virtual tour another time. I'm sad it didn't work out this time, but alas. Alas. Alright, so hang tight. Hang tight, and if you won't be sticking around for that one, have a good bread. Have a good rest of the day or night or whatever it is where you are, and I hope to see you next time.